So for today's exit ticket, we're actually just going to watch a video on a quiz question from about 2 weeks ago. So I actually took this question off the quiz because a lot of people got it wrong. Only like 4 got it right. So I wanted to go over it so you understood it because it is going to be on the test this week. So looking at this question, it says, in the figure above, the triangles are congruent. That means it's the exact same triangle. So I could even fill in this top angle, even though angle D is 3x plus 20. I know D matches up with angle A in that triangle. So this is the same angle. And I know that because the triangles are congruent. I could also put the 8x down here, but I don't really need to do that. I could. But the next important part is it says both these triangles are isosceles. And remember, an isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. The angles across from the equal sides are equal. So if I do a different isosceles triangle, these 2 angles would be equal, right? That's a terrible triangle, but you get the picture. So if the 2 angles are equal across on the equal side, the 3x plus 20 is equal to the 8x because it's an isosceles triangles and 2 of the angles are equal. Solve for x. Subtract 3x from both sides, we get 5x equals 20. Divide by 5x equals 4. Super easy one to solve. Nice. All right, now let's figure out what we need to know. We need to figure out angle BAG. B to A to G. That is outside of the triangle right here. But if you look at it, it's right next to the 3x plus 20. So that yellow angle plus 3x plus 20 has got to add up to 180 because it makes a straight line. It's a linear pair, those 2 angles, if I look. So let's plug in the 4 for the 3x plus 20. So basically, this is what we see happening. So if I plug in the 4, I'm just zooming in right here. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 20 is 32. So 32 plus angle BAG equals 180. So 180 minus 32. Subtraction, old school. 8, 7 minus 3 is 4, 148. So angle BAG is 148 degrees. So we had to use a lot of information here. We had to know, oh, the triangles are equal, so I could just throw this angle right up there. I also know isosceles triangles have 2 equal angles and 2 equal sides. But we're talking about angles on this one, so we didn't really need the sides. And then we had to figure out, oh, those make a linear pair.